All right, can you fire it up?
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together.
Well, I'm on doggy duty today, so I'm watching the dog for my daughter because she's doing some stuff with her friends. But what we have done is we've changed out the solar, and what we did is we made some brackets on, well, we didn't make them, we just cut them, but we made brackets on the side. Seems a little heavier, and it seems to be a little better. There won't be any rain that will pool on top now, and I really like it. I got to paint those 2x4s, and I've got to cut these this side off here, cut them off right up there flush, and then they'll be both equal on both parts. But I like that. And then I've got to order new cables and get those in on them solar, so all that cable comes in really nice. But it really does look a lot better. It's so much better, and I would actually like to jump up on top here, and that way. So there you can see it's set up so much better, so all the water can run out, and we epoxied all those only a few holes there that we had from the previous. These will get cut back, probably way back in here. We'll get rid of those, or we may even change the deck out and do the same for the deck on the back part of it. But I haven't decided for sure, because what it does is it rests on that little corner there, so it's a lot better. And if I get those painted white, those will really look nice. And anyway, well, I didn't really want you to eat that in here, dog. I wanted you outside with it. Come on, let's go outside. Come on. I split this split that knuckle bone in half for him. It was right there. So he kind of kees him occupied. He needs another walk, but this is not really the place to do it. So anyway, I'm just having some chamomile tea and checking out a couple of documentaries on some fly fishing, because I wanted to do some get some good footage of some brook trout fishing here in the next couple weeks. That's the plan anyway. But well, pretty good score. It was a freebie, and it's a nice, fairly decent oak dresser or desk. So we can go ahead and eliminate all this now, and everything go into drawers, and it'll be a nice place to set and edit. The TV will fit on there, and then we'll probably move it. I don't know. It's a little big, but you know, it really gives a lot of space to be able to set, and maybe it'll go in the back. Who knows? You know, maybe. But you know, it's a nice desk to sit at and be able to do stuff. So I got to get rid of a bunch of this junk, and then that was a freebie out of Florida. I don't know if I'll keep that. I probably will. That probably will go all the way back up here. Like I said, we'll eliminate all that. That way that opens that back up. And but this is yeah, this is pretty nice to be able to sit and edit and work on stuff. Once again, you know, the bed is going to be the big one. You know, that might go there. I don't know. I've actually found on Marketplace, I found a nice sit on top fishing kayak. It was regular $1,000, and the guy, it's like only a third of the price, so I'm kind of gonna go look at that maybe tomorrow. That way that would fit on top real easy. Actually, it would actually fit inside and be able to set right up in there pretty decent. But anyway, yeah, I got a major clutter here, but we'll get this all cleaned up by the end of the day. We got to find a dumpster where we can get rid of a bunch of this wood. Be good for a bonfire if somebody needed it for that. But anyway, this just fit right over the wheel well and worked out perfect. And it's a, you know, shit, it's probably a $300 desk easy if, you know, I mean, you know, and it was free, so it was sitting by the roadside for free, so we stopped and grabbed it. What the heck? Got to grab things when you need them, man. You can, you know, there's so much stuff that's being wasted and thrown out in the world that there's no sense not grabbing it, in my opinion. I don't, you know, I don't mind the paying for stuff, but why would you pay when you can? People are just discarding all this stuff. So anyway, I'm stoked about it, man. Stoked about it. All right, we kind of got some of it. As I say, we got a ton of wood back there we got to get rid of, but it looks pretty good there, man, and it really sets up nice. It's a nice desk for editing and working on stuff. We tore this all apart and stuff, which this didn't cost me nothing but, I don't know, 20 bucks, and I'll use that wood. I want to make, I think, some bluebird houses out of this stuff here and give them away or something. But yeah, I think we'll take the bed, and we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do yet, because we got to figure out how to, if we're going to grab that kayak, how we're going to get that kayak in. And the one I'm going to pick up is it's called the I'll put a picture of it or whatever, a link there so you can see it. But yeah, this is really nice. I mean, this really sets up kind of nice to be able to, you know, to sit here and edit and everything and whatnot. I mean, it's nothing great, but like I said, it's a decent desk for free, and it stores all, you know, all the stuff and a bunch of junk in here, and that helps. Like I said, we'll keep that for a little while, because that's a decent little cabinet. That's why they got rid of it. It had that piece missing on the bottom there, but you know, like I say, who cares, you know? Like I said, all this stuff will be moved. We'll move it all this way, and then we'll do the floor back there. I think I mentioned my buddy Rich that we got the water bottle from, or the water tank from, which I gotta go fill. He gave me 7 or 8 boxes of hardwood flooring, so he said they're all, he can't use it because it's not enough for what he needs or anything, and he's going to change out his thing. So he gave me that, so we'll grab that, and that should get us you know, this half of the. And being that I'm able to get that, I can probably go ahead and put some plywood in there, decent plywood over that, and then put the hardwood flooring on top of that, and at least get, you know, half, which yeah, it'd be pretty cool, you know. At least it's a start. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please subscribe, please watch the channel, like, share, comment, hit the notifications so you know when the next one's up. I'm going to get back to polishing up some stuff here, working on some more things and some more editing, and a little bit of footage here of the ore dock, of some drone footage after this, if you want to watch that. But thanks again. We'll see you tomorrow on another video. Peace out, guys.
Hurrying to cut my teeth, I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.